10mm dual cavity super linear dynamic earphones. Amazing sound quality, good looking design, and budget friendly. Hi everyone, it's Ryan. In this video, we will be reviewing the KZ ZVX diaphragm dynamic in-ear monitors. Let's get started. So the product, which is the KZ ZVX diaphragm dynamic in-ear monitor, contains this straight out of the box. So we have here the cable, which is the high purity OFC cable, or what we call oxygen-free copper flat cable in its detachable design with 2-pin technology. Also, we have here extra ear tips. So it's having this memory foam kind of feel. Or is this memory foam? Yes, it is. We also have this manual in which everything we need to know written on paper. And finally, the earphones itself. On paper, KZ claims this is made up of full metal shell, in which I can feel that, with this aluminum-like cover and small product print. So take a look at that. It is solid built yet lightweight, and the ear tips are memory foam. Inside this is a 10mm driver, and it also features a 4.8 micron diaphragm for vibration sensitivity. Furthermore, this device boasts 4 layers of voice coil, which contributes to its exceptional sound quality. It is priced for 1,158 pesos, or more or less $21. Now for the top good features of the product, and what I love about it as I have tried it, is its design and build. The product is aesthetically pleasing, modern looking, and made up of durable materials. Professional sound features. This device is designed to produce high quality outputs through the use of its driver and coil components. Additionally, it is finely tuned to deliver a sound that is almost unfiltered, making it an excellent choice for music and audio enthusiasts who want to experience the original output without any additional filtering. However, if you are seeking a boosted bass sound, this device may not be the best fit for you, as it is balanced in its tuning. Nevertheless, you can always use the equalizer to adjust the sound to your liking. This is also budget friendly. Now, earphones with this kind of sound quality and build cost more than this. I love the comfort to the ears of the memory foam ear tips. It takes the shape of the ear for comfortable hearing and for optimal sound output. Now, do you agree with that? Comment down below. This product is ideal for individuals seeking a professional grade sound and sturdy build for wired in-ear monitors at an affordable price point. It also provides an excellent option for those who want to steer clear of expensive earphone brands without compromising on quality. So overall, the good points are: it has a good design and build, professional sound features, it is budget friendly, and it gives me comfort to the ear. Now, what are the things that I missed, and what are the things that you want to know? Put it in the comment section down below. And by the way, you can find product links to purchase the product, as well as information on all its other amazing features, in the description section of this video. So be sure to check it out. And that's it. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon. This is Rye. See you on the next video. Bye.